Kyle did not stop last time, and green flag is out. Kyle didn't go. Hayden jumped the start bit, and the penalty is you have to drop back, or you get a black flag. Looked like Kyle didn't quite get going, and Hayden jumped the start and combo both. And Hayden's around. Whoa, we have a wreck also. And that's what happened with Hayden. Now let's see what happened here. Oh, hard to say from that one. Looked like Sean might have overdriven it and gone to Coronado. Wow, lots of stuff happening in that. Here's a look at the start. You can see everyone just got bottled up. And jump the start, you're not allowed to pass before the line. And this is Hayden just loses it. Got it loose. Gets it spun around. And then this is the incident. Yeah, Sean just got in there a little hot. Coronado maybe not as fast in the corner and got into him. And the amazing part about all this is there was no yellow. So they are still under green. Kyle is still the leader. Kyle did not take any tires last time. We'll see how that does, and he's up high, and it looks like Tacos is going to take a look at the lead. Yes, Tacos got the lead, and Tyler could try to follow him. Nope, not quite enough. And it looks like Tyler's going to try now. And this will shuffle Kyle back to third. And I'm pretty sure he's rethinking that no tire idea. Coronado is in fourth. And Tyler is caught up to Tacos. Tacos going high. Tyler gonna stay on the low side. And yeah, Tyler will get by him because Tacos scrapes the wall. And this is where Tyler would like to finish the races in first. This will help. This will ensure he has the points lead, because he is your current points leader. Before this had 10-point gap between Coronado and Kyle, and 15 over Hayden. And Hayden's been struggling a lot. And this is Neil. Neil only runs in the truck series. In the other 4 series he cannot make. He's one of your truckers. Coronado's had fairly good success in the truck series. First season in the 2-car though. He used to drive the 2 truck, and he gave the number up to Coronado to race this season because he was going to the 26. He's starting to run down Kyle now. Kyle has older tires than everyone else. So right now, Tyler Head leading the way. Tacos is in second. Kyle Young third. Mike Coronado is in fourth. Top 4 is still fairly close. And now Coronado getting much closer to Kyle. Trying to run him down for third. And this could very well be a pass for second in points, because I don't see Hayden coming up here at all. And Neil will round out the top 5. He's in 5th right now. Sean is in 6th and is in 7th. And now Coronado right there. Looks like he will probably make a pass soon, or at least attempt one, because it is not an easy place to pass. You need to get the inside, it seems, unless you've got the high side going out of the corner. And there we go. Coronado will take that third place very easily. Oh, Kyle gets into him, but they keep it going. No yellow. That could have been bad. Kyle is now really dropping back. Oh, we have a spin. Hey, let's take a look at what happened here. He just got loose. And that's the leader, so he will go a lap down. That did bring out a yellow. So Hayden will be trapped down a lap. Again. And here we go, everyone's pitting. Oh, no, Taco's deciding not to pit again. Because Tyler had pitted. Put him back to third. Green flag is out. Tyler going to the outside. And oh, looks like Kyle passing Sean. Here we go. This is for second. Tyler on the inside. They're still battling out. Side by side at the line. And it looks like Tyler. Yes, Tyler will get second place. Coronado will settle in the third, it looks like. The battle's still heating up back here. Sean and Neil. And oh, Sean goes into the wall, almost takes Neil out. And here goes. No, Neil just gonna stay in line. Kyle's back there, and Hayden's also back there. He's sticking with them. Oh, Sean's going way up the track. It's going to open up the door for Neil, but he can't quite capitalize. That high side gets a real good run compared to the low side coming off the corners. Whoa, it's smoking the tires coming out of the corner. And now Kyle's starting to catch up on Neil. Neil again looking on the inside, but the outside prevails coming out of the corner. Good battle for fourth here. Neil trying to go to the high side. Not gonna work. Kyle's starting to take a look on the inside, but he's not gonna get it done. Neil's all. Oh, Neil into the wall. Neil pretty hard looking at that wall there. Kyle gave him lots of room to save it though. And now Kyle looking on the inside, not gonna get done. High side's too good. And now we have a battle for fifth between Neil and Kyle. Looks like they're starting to catch back up to Sean here. Here goes Kyle. Kyle looking to the inside. He's got the fender, he's got a door. And Kyle will get it. Kyle will get fifth place. This shoves Neil back to sixth. Neil looking to the high side. Nope, and they're smoking the tires coming out of the corner. Neil's still all over the back of that 93 car. Or truck. And they've caught back up to Sean. Oh! Looks like Kyle punts Sean. And oh, Neil gets into him too. Spins around. And no yellow. There was no yellow. Sean got spun back around. Neil will get by Kyle.